How to import Google Calendar to Notion. Welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to cover. How to import Google Calendar to Notion using automation. So without further ado, let's dive into this tutorial. First, go to your Chrome of your choice and then go to your Notion account first. As you can see, Notion is a powerful productivity tool that allows you to organize your tasks, projects, and notes, while Google Calendar is a widely used calendar application. By integrating these two tools, you can have a centralized view of your schedule and tasks, improving your productivity and organization. This tutorial will guide you through the process of importing your Google Calendar events to Notion using automation tools, making it easier to manage your schedules and tasks in one place. So here, so you can see we can add any applications right here, but first, let's go to our Google Calendar after we've logged in our Notion account. So here, let's look for our Google Calendar. By the way, you can access it right here. Once you've searched google.com, this will appear. And just click on these 9 dots and you can see here lots on all of the Google applications like Google Search, Google Maps, YouTube, Google Play, and many more. So we're gonna be using Google Calendar. So let's click on this one. So once you click this is our Google Calendar. You can create events right here. Today. So here you can add your events, birthdays, and many schedules if you are a business owner. So the third-party application that we will be using is this one, Zapier.com. And here, this simple application can connect or automate two applications in one place. So you can see here, we have already Zap, Wix, and Shopify. So here recommended for you Google Gmail and Google Drive, Gmail and Google Sheets, and many more. So here, see more templates. You can see a lot of applications that we can add or we can synchronize together. So in this tutorial, we're gonna be adding Notion. So click on this first part right here, connect this app to Notion, and in the second part is we will gonna be adding Google Drive. So once you've added it, when this happens, new database item or update database item, so we're gonna be adding new database item. Then to do this, copy file, move file, replace file, create folder, upload files. So here we're gonna be adding copy file, or the first connect here are gonna be using Google. So this is a different thing. So if you want to add your Google Calendar, you have to use the data of your Google Calendar, use the Google Calendar on the first bar, and then if you add Notion, so right here, all of the data in your Google Calendar will be connected to the Notion application or software. So here, event can't added, new event, new event matching search, event cancelled. So let's type in here, let's click on new calendar. So to do this, create page, find database, update database item, or anything that you want to do with it. So once you've done this, update database item in Notion with new calendar in Google Calendar. So let's try this one. Click on try it. And here we are now adding these two together. So for the status, right here, errors and informations. There are errors and informations. Let's just click this. remove this one. And here, please choose an account. So let's connect our account first. Connect the email that you used in your Google Calendar. So once you connected that, and then for the second part, just choose an account for the Notion account. Choose the email that you've used and logging into your Notion account, and select Pages, Create Access Notion, Allow Access, and right here it's now logging in. So once you've had that, let's click on Continue. So fresh fields, database, custom, complete the setup. So once you've clicked on the setup and finish this all, so new calendar, here continue with this, and let's finish this on the second part for the action. Task list, so you can just custom this. Add IP address, so if you want to add all of it here, and once it refreshed, click on Continue. So test action, and now we can publish it once we've done this. So there are errors, skip test. Right here, once we've skipped this, we can now publish this to our Zapier account, and now it's publishing. Google Calendar and Notion is now connected to each other. Here, Zap is using version v1. This message will dismiss. So here, let's go to our Notion. Let's refresh this one. And let's search for our Google Calendar. Here, as you can see, this is the schedules that we have. We can now connect it, and now it's connected to the Google Calendar is now connected to our Notion account. And that's it, guys. We hope you found this tutorial on how to import Google Calendar to Notion using automation insightful and helpful. And if you have questions and suggestions, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next video.